Hi guys! I'm back with a new video. Okay, so for today's video, I know I look really crazy, but we're gonna glam up today. And I'm going to do a wear test on the Neecara Colorful Unicorn Cushion Foundation. So if you guys would like to see what it would look like on my skin and all the details you would like to know, keep on watching. Of course, if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alice. I make content on this channel. And if you guys are interested to see more, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so y'all be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Sa totoo lang guys, eto lang talaga yung isang factor eh. Bakit ko siya binili? Sa akin, seriously now. So, this is the Unicorn, Colorful Unicorn Cushion Foundation. I believe this comes in 3 or 4 shades. I'll put a picture nung advertisement nila. And this is a product from Thailand. As you can see, papakita ko sa inyo, buksan ko na siya. O, diba? May kita niyo yung background ko. Malaki ang mirror niya compared dito sa isa kong cushion product, which is from Caradium. Okay, packaging-wise, it's super cute. Okay, hindi na natin pagkakailayan. Parang ito yung number 1 factor bakit ko siya binili. I do like that the mirror is slightly bigger from the one that I had earlier or before. Kasi paubos na rin itong Caradium ko. Feeling ko bibili ako na another one. Then this one also comes with, you know, a sponge. I don't know what this sponge is called. Sorry basta ako puff sponge ang tawag ko dito. Pero this one, pag nabasa siya, nagpa-puff talaga siya. So, it's sort of like a beauty blender? I don't know. So, this is in the shade N21. I don't know if this is my shade. Ayan o, fully sealed pa siya. So, bubuksan natin siya. Pag wala kang kuko, kawawa ka. Okay, hindi ko siya mabuksan ng gamit yung kuko ko. Kasi wala akong kuko. Putol ako ng kuko kahapon. Ang galing ko yan, no? Kailan ako magagaganito? Doon ko naisipang, nag-nail cutter tayo. Okay. We can do this. Alam mo yun, dito ako na-overstate pag nagbubukas ako ng ganito, tapos hindi ko siya mabuksan. Pero, what have I done wrong to you? Yan. Na! Nabuksan ko na siya. This is what it looks like. Ay! Uy, taray! Meron na nga siyang seal, meron pa siyang ganito. Ganda! Ay, ang ganda ng print! Stars! Ang cute! It's a star! Okay. Feeling ko dark sa akin to. Ang dark niya. One push muna tayo. This is so dark! I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this. Got the wrong color. It's so yellow. But I do like the scent. It smells really nice. Wait. I am not used to this kind of foundation. It feels really lightweight. Parang naglagay lang ako ng sunscreen na may konting tint. It's so yellow. I'm feeling ko I failed myself purchasing this. I failed myself so bad. But it looks okay. It's just that it's too yellow for my skin. I don't know if it looks good on camera though. It really looks a bit of, there's really a yellow tint to this one, N21. So I'm kind of disappointed to myself. But then, on camera, it looks fine. In person, I just... Meme! It failed. I'm not disappointed with the product. I'm disappointed with myself. Like, I would always tell that to myself. Like, You know, the product didn't fail you. You fail yourself. Because you picked, you know, a color that is very warm. But it actually works well, okay? No judgment, no hate to this, you know, to the product. It does, you know, try its best to, you know, like, match the tone of your skin. Kasi as you can see dito, well, as I can see in the mirror, this is like, this side and this side. Actually, kanina, nung hindi ko pa ito nalagyan, this side is just like, bam, yellow. But now, I'm seeing that it's, you know, trying to match my own skin. And it's settling down. As far as coverage is concerned, does it really cover under eye? Well, very dark ang under eye circle ko. Under eye circles ko. It's light to medium coverage. Okay? It's not full coverage. Kasi I have acne marks here and here. And I also have some hyperpigmentation on my face. Yes, I'm 30 and I'm old. So, hyperpigmentation is there. And I can still see it. It peeks through the foundation. But I'm willing to slide it. Kasi ako naman yung tipo ng taong I don't really go for high coverage foundation. Alam mo yun? Parang I prefer light to medium ones, except when I'm going out, like when I'm going to an event and I need a full coverage foundation, I want it to push through and come through to me. Okay? Okay. Let's see if in the camera it looks okay or I'm just like overreacting, diba? Okay, it looks actually nice on camera. Like, I don't know. Pero in person talaga medyo, it looks very warm on my skin. It does, you know, change the tone. It's not overly pink. So, feeling ko talaga, a little bit of yellow on my foundation works well. Pero, yun. Gusto ko siya. Actually, I really like this foundation. Despite, you know, picking N21, which is a bit of a yellow undertone, I'm willing to let that slide if it works for me. But the real question is, tatagal ba to whole day? And I'm not wearing primer, by the way. I'm not wearing a primer. I'm only wearing sunscreen underneath. So, let's see kung tatagal siya sa alikabok, pollution, at nakakabwisit na init. Kasi mainit na eh, dito sa Philippines. Mainit na. So, alam mo yun, titignan natin if it's sweat-proof, it's transfer-proof, and also if it, you know, just works in general. Okay, guys. Hi. Okay, so this is what my face looks like on natural lighting. Medyo mas malakas kasi natural light right now. So, yan. Okay lang. Hey guys! Okay, it's about 5:29 in the afternoon right now. So, a little bit of a time check about this look. I was actually thinking of having someone on camera tell me what they see, alam mo yun, kung ano yung tingin nila sa mukha ko today. And so far, a lot of them would have said na ang bilis mag-oxidize dito sa gilid. So, it's darker at the sides, but it's bright here. I don't know, like, I only check through the reflection of my cell phone, and I do see that it's quite oily. It's oily in this part, in the T-zone, which is very normal for me. Kasi nga dito ako sa, maraming alikabok, maraming pollution, so, normal yan. I do see that it's not breaking apart on my skin kasi most of the time, kaya mabilis siya magulat sa akin. Mabilis mag-crack yung foundation. This one doesn't really do that. It's not sticky. I mean, throughout the day, I've been checking if pulas proof. Actually, partly, it's pulas proof. Okay, wait. I have to check with the tissue if it will transfer. Andito yung tissue ko sa likod ng ano yung tripod eh. Oh, we're just gonna try to squeeze it out. Here we go. Ang dami ng table ko eh. Pasensya na. Okay. So, we're going to blot out the oil. And it transfers. Pero minimal transfer lang, which is okay. I mean, it's quite common for me to have my foundation transfer. Pero it stays on. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. But oiliness aside, oh my god. I'm like, oh my god, why? Hindi naman siya ganun kalala sa transfer. Parang very minimal transfer lang. No cracks, no settling in the lines because I have fine lines already. So far so good. Okay. I will have this on my face until midnight. I'm itching. You know, hindi kasi ako sanay na talagang full day. Like, I applied this around 9 a.m. At ang ingay ng mga jeep, dahil Sabado ngayon, I'm trying my best to keep this on my face until midnight. Kasi usually, I wash my face around that time. Kasi kinakotsa ko minsan natutulog. Let's hope for the best. I'll talk to you guys in a while.